Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Swaroop Nadella. So in this video, we'll discuss about which programming language to learn for test automation as a beginner. So this is the frequently asked question and everyone having doubt as a fresher or as a beginner in test automation. Um, so there are many programming languages in the market. So if we want to learn any code-based automation tool, so the prerequisite before learning the automation tools are the programming language is important. So let's say like Java, Python, JavaScript, and C Sharp. So whichever I have listed here, there are multiple programming languages available. Uh, but considering the current market, right? So there are many existing projects for Java programming language. So this is the first preference as per my opinion. And after that, Python is having limited projects, not like Java, but there are limited projects. But this is the second preference, and JavaScript and TypeScript. So and regarding this also, like I had conducted one of the poll in LinkedIn. So if you see this poll, right, which programming language is primarily used for test automation? So around 2,737 votes are come up in this poll. So in this, like Java is selected for 78%. So if we know Java programming language, it will be definitely advantage when learning different automation tools. So that I will discuss now. So Python, there are 11%, and there are other JavaScript, TypeScript based automation tools also, but those are having limited openings currently. So this is the third choice, and C Sharp is the fourth preference. So if you are planning to learn a code-based automation tools, and I recommend Java as the first preference, and Python is the second preference. And internally, if you are working in any existing projects in the organization, right, and then we do not have any choice to learn. So at that time, whichever they are asking us to learn in the inside the project, that we need to learn. Suppose if I am put into a project of JavaScript or C Sharp, then there is no other choice. But if you are learning personally and for your growth, if you want to switch your jobs or move internally to other projects in the bigger organizations in the same company, right? So then Java and Python having lot of projects. So Java is the first preference and Python is the second preference. And then why to learn a programming language? So if we want to learn the code-based automation tools, right, then definitely being proficient in one of the programming language is very important. So this is about learning the programming language. If you want to learn the automation, then definitely programming language is required. If you are preferring to learn a code-based automation tool. So in this poll, I have taken a screenshot of another poll which is conducted in Selenium Test Automation user group. So in this, the question is like, what is your Selenium implementation use? So there are many Selenium based projects in the market. Existing members are using that. So Java is the first preference, then Python, then C Sharp, then others. So this is the order that currently like this is based on 6,492 votes in that group. So even if you are planning to learn Selenium, right, Java is my first choice and Python is the second choice. If we go back here, we'll discuss about the different automation tools we can learn if we learn Java. So if we learn one of the programming language, then it will definitely be an advantage for us. So we can learn multiple automation tools based on the project requirement in future. Suppose Selenium, we want to learn for web UI automation for web applications. So REST Assured is a Java library. So we can use it for REST API automation. And then APM is used for mobile app automation. So Android and iOS apps, we can use it to automate. So there are tutorials related to all these three, right? And Playwright is recently introduced in last 2 years. So this is majorly used for modern web UI automation. So Angular and React JS applications are having some asynchronous calls due to Ajax elements. Um, so modern web UI automation is preferred for Playwright. So even all these different automation tools, we can use it with Java. So if you learn, if you become a intermediate level proficient also, that's okay. So then you can jump into any automation tool as per your preference and start learning that. So if you have any questions regarding the programming language, you can feel free to write a comment on this particular video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.